welcome to the channel Shrestha's Awesome Videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video down below. So, tomorrow's Father's Day, and if you're like me, you always make last minute gifts. So, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to make awesome, handmade, easy, quick gifts. So, Father's Day was first celebrated in June 19th, 1910, but it was not an official holiday until 1972. And also, we celebrate Father's Day to honor our fathers by giving them a gift to say how much we appreciate them and respect them. And did you know that no matter what the date is, Father's Day is always celebrated on the 3rd Sunday of June? So, also scientists actually did a test where they took some fathers and they asked them what type of gift they liked better. And more fathers said they like handwritten, handmade gifts more than store-bought or electronic gifts. So that's why I'm showing you 2 easy, awesome, cool ideas of how to make a handmade gift. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Father's Day card, and the supplies you will need are a black sheet of paper, a white sheet of paper, and a yellow sheet of paper, some paper buttons or some real ones, any type of glue. You can use hot glue, a glue stick, or normal school glue, a pencil, scissors, a ruler, and some markers for decorating. So, those are all the supplies you'll need, and now I'm going to show you how to make it. So, let's start the process. For this black paper, I'm using a little bit bigger than A4 paper, and so with your black paper, you're just going to fold it in half and just score it with your finger, like this, to make sure it's fully folded. Next, you are going to take your scissors and cut both of these edges. Make sure not to cut the middle. By cutting this, we're going to make the collar of the shirt. So make sure not to cut all of it. I'm just doing these both edges. So if you can see, I lightly just scored these 2 edges, and I'm gonna cut it out. Once it's cut, it should look like this. There should be 2 flaps. And for this back piece of paper, you need to cut this part off the back. It's cut off. I'm going to take these 2 flaps and just fold it in like that and just crease it. Make sure you do it so that you can still open the card inside. And now I'm going to glue it with some glue. So now I'm going to make a tie with a piece of white paper. So I'm just adjusting the tie a little bit. And just erasing some stuff. And then it's going to be perfect. So now I cut the tie out, and I'm just going to draw red lines on the tie for decoration. And I'm just going to get my red marker, and I am going to draw a line. So now I'm going to put some glue on it. So I glued it on, and I put some golden buttons on the collar to make it look cool. And now we need to work on the inside. For the inside, to make my writing appear, I am going to glue. So instead of making it a rectangle, I decided to make it a heart. And now I'm gluing it inside of the card. Make sure to make the glue corners, glue everything, and just glue everything and just glue it inside. So make sure to press the glue down very firmly. Just press it very, very hard. So I'm just going to press it down to see if it folds or not. And it folds. You can add a little bit more glue to secure it if you want. And now the heart is done. And you could put whatever you want inside, but I'm going to make my own. So now I'm writing my letter to my dad. So you can write whatever message you want. I'm just writing, Dear Dad, thank you for always loving me and being by my side even when things are low. That's what This is the final card. On front, it's a shirt and a tie. And in the middle, it says Happy Father's Day. And I wrote a note and I said, I love you. So for idea number 2, I am going to make a photo frame that says Dad. So the supplies that you will need are cardboard, cutouts of the letters A and D, some type of glue, you can use hot glue or normal glue, markers, some glitter, pencil, ruler, scissors, and some gems. The first step is to take your letters and trace them on the cardboard so you can cut them out. Finish cutting all of them. I used the D template 2 times and I used the A 1 time. Make sure the A is big so your photo can fit in, and make sure to try it out before you glue it. So this is my photo and I'm going to try it on here. And look, it fits perfectly. So next, with the letters, you can paint them or use markers to color them, and you can put some glitter on, and you can put the gems around the letters. So first I am going to color the letter D red, and I'm going to put some red glitter on it to make it sparkle. I colored this red and I added some glitter. I colored this gold with glitter, and I colored this green and I'm adding some silver glitter on it. So on the edge of the letters, I am going to put some gem stickers. So I decorated all of the letters. I added glitter, I added markers, and I put gems on it. So now I am going to glue this one. So now I'm going to join these letters together by using some cardboard on the back. So on the back of it, now I'm going to put my cardboard pieces and hot glue them on. So I put a stand on the back too, and this is the final look. As you can see, it's really beautiful and it has the word Dad. But I forgot one thing, to put my photo in it. So this is the final look with the photo inside. It looks really cute and my dad will definitely love it. So you don't have to give this on Father's Day. You can give it on any other day too, because you should give gifts to your father every day. And I will show you both of the finished photos. This is my photo frame and the card. This is the inside of the card. And it looks awesome. My dad will definitely love this. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button down below, and make sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Also, make sure to follow my Facebook page, which is Shrestha's Awesome Videos, or you can search me by @Shrestha2020. Also, comment down below how you celebrated your Father's Day. So, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.